Types of cooling water system in diesel engine. Water cooling systems are essential in diesel engines to regulate the temperature and prevent overheating. There are several types of water cooling systems, each with its unique features and benefits. Here are the most common types of water cooling systems for diesel engines. Raw water cooling system. In this type of cooling system, raw water from a lake, river, or ocean is used to cool the engine. It is the simplest and least expensive type of cooling system, but it also has the highest maintenance requirements. Freshwater cooling system. This type of cooling system uses a closed loop with a heat exchanger to cool the engine. It is more complex and expensive than a raw water cooling system, but it requires less maintenance and is more reliable. Closed cooling system. A closed cooling system uses a mixture of water and antifreeze to cool the engine. It is a sealed system that does not require water from an external source. This type of cooling system is the most efficient and requires the least maintenance, but it is also the most expensive. Hybrid cooling system. A hybrid cooling system combines the features of raw water, freshwater, and closed cooling systems. It uses a heat exchanger and a circulating pump to cool the engine and maintain temperature stability. This type of cooling system provides a balance of efficiency, reliability, and affordability.